I'd like to be a little bird just because I heard the word that told me I don't have to worry none. Then off I'd fly across the sky to a place I'd call my home, away from home and there under the sun. Everything is lost and found, but it's so hard to hear the sound of a little bird singing in a tree. We own nothing here and no one cares. For what it's worth, it's never theirs. As long as I can sing, then I am free. Little bird and me have found a melody in harmony with life and love, and the best of all, it's free. Free as a bird, I am not trapped in a cage by man. I'm free as a bird to be singing for you and me. Little birds, they live and die, and sunsets paint the twilight sky. Seasons change with harvest to reap. Every now and then I've heard it said in a good book that I've read that the bread of life's a gift for us to keep. A little bird and me have found a melody in harmony with life and love, and best of all, it's free. Free as a bird, I am not trapped in a cage by man. Free as a bird to be singing for you and me. For you and me. Like to be a little bird just because I heard the words told me I don't have to worry none. Well, then off I'd fly across the sky to a place I call my home, away from home or there under the sun.